Here we have a piece of porcelain. One side is left natural, the other side has been treated with a product called Glaze Protector. Glaze Protector was developed to help give textured porcelain tiles an easier surface to maintain. Equally, it will help to enhance the appearance and just give it a slight sheen, that just washed look. So very easy to apply. You simply pour a little bit on the surface and you work it over with either a sponge, or you can use a paintbrush. The other good thing about this product is that it won't compromise the anti-slip. So when the product goes on, you still have all the anti-slip qualities of the porcelain, but the sheen is simply there to make it more appealing aesthetically and to also help facilitate the cleaning. I'm just going to show you now how easy it is to apply. This has had a couple of coats so far. I think when I hold up this tile you can actually see the difference in the appearance. I'm just going to put a little bit more on just to show you exactly how easy it is. Just a small amount on the surface like that. Obviously if you were doing this on a larger scale you would probably use a wider, bigger brush. You can put it on with a foam roller, but the key with any film forming sealer like this is several coats applied at lightly and at 90 degrees. So that first coat would go on all in one direction like this, and then your subsequent coats would go on like this, and that's to help prevent and reduce the possibility of any application marks being visible once it's been applied. There we are, it's as easy as that. Now once this is cured, the best way to clean it and look after it thereafter is with a product called Floor Shine. Floor Shine will do two things: it will clean and it will repair the seal every time you wash the floor.